I have shared with you guys how impressed I am with the very first Mini GT Liberty Walk GTR in blue. I claim that this may be one of the best diecasts of the year. I also did a review recently for the matte grey GTR with GT wing, and I'm just completely blown away by this casting. And after a long wait, I finally got the Hong Kong Toy Store exclusive Liberty Walk GTR in Zero Fighter themes. This is one of the very best diecasts I have this year. It's a 2017 Toy Store exclusive model. Unlike other Mini GT packaging, this comes in a jewel case with a sleeve with Zero Fighter theme, with two aerodynamic stripes which reflect on the car body as well. And now let's free the fighter out from its package. The specification is totally the same as the very first blue GTR, but what I really like is the Zero Fighter theme. This is a very popular theme by many diecast customizers who love to apply the Zero Fighter theme onto their custom work. Although there are many logos and details everywhere on the body, it doesn't seem to look cluttered. In fact, the elements are very well organized, and the most striking part is the aerodynamic stripes and the red sun symbol on the olive green body in semi-gloss finish. It makes a perfect pair with the ducktail blue GTR in gloss finish, and also looks fantastic with the matte grey Liberty Walk GTR. The Zero Fighter will definitely look stunning in photography, and it will go very well with the TLV Hino Ranger. However, I'm very sad that the GTR can't fit onto the Hino Ranger because of its wide body. It's such a shame. I have to admit that I'm looking very forward to shoot the Hino Ranger and the GTR Zero Fighter together, and now I can't. It's very sad. Overall, Mini GT makes a very good call to roll out all these Liberty Walk 1:64 GTR, and the quality is superb, which made me a happy Mini GT collector. There will also be another Zero Fighter GTR with GT wing variation. Thanks everyone, bye!